this is Shipra again with my new DIY activity. We are going to make a craft, paper craft of hedgehog. But before that, you all know what we have to do. So let us learn to fly high with Yellow Class DIY. So we are going to make this simple, very cutie hedgehog where we will just need a A4 size, a half of A4 size brown sheet, which is thick, then half of A4 size, very light and thin sheet of light brown color or cream color. This is what we need: glue, scissor, and black sketch pen. It's quite fast. We'll quickly make it. It's quite easy also, kids. So we know how to make this. This we all know, but we'll quickly tell you. This is the way we make a fan. So just fold upside down. So we have taken a half of A4 size sheet, which is light sheet, which is not a thick sheet, so that the folding is easy. And we are just going upside down. Yeah, almost through, kids. Now what we'll do, we'll just apply glue at the center, but before applying the glue, what we'll do, we'll fold it from the center like this. Yes, and we'll press it nicely. And then we'll stick it from the center. Just hold it for some time and it is done. Here also, at this end also, we'll apply glue. I hope it is clear. We are just applying glue at one end and we'll stick it also. So this is done. We keep it aside. And this brown color sheet, half sheet which I have taken, we'll just simply draw a U, a big thick U. And a H like this. So we are drawing an H like this. This is all what we need, kids, and we will. So I've drawn a big U and a half H, and we'll cut it. This is done, and this also will cut like this. We just do the little trimming wherever needed. And we'll now simply stick it. So this sticking will take just a few seconds because these foldings are there. So we'll draw the face and the eyes. And we are through with our hedgehog, kids. So you can just make it. It's quite simple, quite easy. And at the center, taking this as the center, we'll stick it like this. We'll hold it for some time, just a few seconds. And yes, so this is done. Now, exactly here where we have the legs, we'll stick the face. So apply glue here. Just apply glue nicely, kids, because of the folding, it will require a little more glue and it will take just few more seconds to stick. Just hold it for like just few seconds like this and see your hedgehog is ready. So you just have to hold it like this and it will stick nicely. Because of the foldings, as I have told you, it takes little time to stick, but you can see a sweet hedgehog is ready. So I hope the instructions were clear and you can make it. Do share your pictures. We are waiting for your pictures. Thank you for watching this video, kids. Shipra is going to come again with nice DIY activities. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.